your dashboard in Canvas and click on your face. This is my face right here. And then you go down to the blue letters that say QR for mobile login. It's going to ask if you really want someone to see this, because if they can see it, they can get into your account. Click Proceed. Once you have this open, you are going to open the app on your phone, click QR code, hold up your phone to the QR code and let it do its thing. And when you have logged in, click on your art course, click on your modules. When you find the project that you want to do, click on that. Scroll down until you see the instructions and the submit button. So it would say submit assignment or resubmit assignment on the button here. This one has already been turned in, so it says resubmit. Click on camera in order to just use the camera. And I'm going to get as good of a picture as I can get, getting only the artwork in the frame. Remember the submit sandwich. You have to click submit before and after uploading. Once it has submitted, it will say successfully submitted. Let's click the back arrow to go back home. And there's the Learn Art button that I keep talking about. You can also go to these tutorials and frequently asked questions page. You can figure out what time we have art, the announcements, class help, and parent page. And remember, if you are having trouble seeing Stream, you can sign in by using your email account for school. Usually it asks you to log in twice, so here's the second time. I'm going to try it one more time. Aha! That is what I mean by logging in twice. And down here at the bottom of the front page, of the home page, it has some links. The Stream channel is first, the YouTube channel is next, and the team is last. All of these buttons go in different places. The Learn Art button goes to modules, Art Times, My Schedule, News Report, Announcements, Class Help, anything that can help you in class, and a parent page, all of the parent information. And the button down here at the bottom is for learning about your art. And this is a new project that I have for this first grade class. Its proficiency level can really help you to understand if you're doing it right. Click on the shiny red button to move along. And you can watch videos right in the screen, as well as learn about your art.
Hello everyone, I'm here today on
Any place you see a video, watch it. Don't skip it. So please do not do your project without actually learning about the project first. Struggling readers, or those that don't read yet, I also have a recording. That sideways triangle always lets you know that there's something to play or to read. Triangle, triangle on its side, press it to see what's inside. This says that it's due on October 23rd, but that doesn't mean you should wait until October 23rd, because you have 2 attempts that are allowed. And if you end up not liking your grade, you will need some time to redo it. You will also see that I have changed the allowable file types, because I know a lot of computers are a little bit older and they're still saving it as JPEG. finally, don't forget to scroll down. You always have to scroll down to see more information. And then you can click submit and do all the things that I just showed you.
Meow? I mean, bye!